Hey friends, this is Ty with Budget Tools. Today I am introducing a new series that I will be playing once or twice a week, probably on a Friday, Saturday night. But since I failed to correctly record last week when I was attempting this game, I'm tossing it in the middle of the week. No, well, not the middle of the week, but I guess in the beginning of the week because I did play again. And I was successful in my recording and not mixing up record and stop. So please enjoy this game created by Lena at O1L here. I will drop all of her information in the description box below. And let's get into Piddle Paws. Okay, we are good to go. We are here playing one of Lena's cute games. This series is called Lights Out, Game Night, Rollin In The Dark. Get it? Rolling in the dark. Okay, so I attempted to play about a week ago, and I was totally just too excited to play. And I kept turning the camera off when I should have been turning the camera on. So it looks like everything is in frame right now. So we're going to give it a go. This is my little Piddle Paws, and we are going to roll. And it says if you land on Piddle Paws, you must save $10 to keep going. Rate the amount saved in the empty bag icon in the middle of the board. If you do not have 10, you must save what you have left. Okay, so let's get going. We're gonna go with the numbered die, but I like to have 2 dice. All right, let's see where we're going. 1 space. So that is $1. I'm going to write down my amounts because I'm going to be playing with prop money to start off. Next, let's see what we get. We don't want to land on Piddle Paws. So we have a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are going to be adding $10. This little rascal here. So we're gonna write $10, I guess right there. I think that's what we're doing. I'll work out the instructions later. Okay. So we have 2. 1, 2, that will be another $1. And let's see, we want 1, 2, or 3. 2, we want 2. So we're going to add $2 here. All right, Piddle, you're cute, but you're menacing. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're at the store. What does that mean? It says if you land on the store, you must roll, yikes, a 6. If you don't roll a 6, you must save all the rolls that you roll until you roll a 6 or run out of money. Okay, I don't know if Piddle Paws is the worst or the store. Okay, come on, 6. 2. I'm going to write that on this side. 5. Come on, 6. 3. Oh no. Piddle Paws, I think you're robbing me right now from the money in the bank when I get to Build a Bank Wednesday. I think that's what's happening. 1. I'm using the number die. I got 6. Okay, so I wrote 6. And that's my way of getting out. Okay, so I haven't run out of money. It says make sure to write down the amount you saved and the empty store icon in the middle of the board. Okay, so what is this? $8, $10, $11. So we're going to write $11. Now we are going to roll and see if we can make it home. Come on, we need 1, 2, 3. We need 4. We got 2. That's better than Piddle Paws. Okay. Oh, I said we have 2. No? No, we rolled, but we only have the number 1. Okay. Let's see. Oh, 6. Where is that going to take us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is another $1. I'm curious. I want to make it home, but I've got to be realistic and realize that this game is sucking at my money. Lena, what are you doing? 3. 1, 2, and 3. That's another 2. Okay, I'm glutton for punishment. I am going to stop right here. Let's add up our funds. My goodness, because we've got 10 here. We have 11. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's turn on the lights and see what we owe. I almost turned off the camera. Okay. Calculator. I have to use the calculator on my phone. So I'm just curious with all of this. So all of this these were my rolls. These were my attempts at getting out of the store, but I couldn't. So that's $11. And then the $10 was me landing on Piddle Paws. Oh my goodness. So we've got 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, $20 plus 10 plus 11. Jeez, $41. This is worse than gambling because I didn't even play for like 10 minutes. Okay, so Piddle Paws is going to be a long-term game. I need to remember where I am, and I'm going to use one of my little stickers, my kitty cat Post-its from Lena, and I am going to put that today's date is 5/18, and we owe $41. My goodness, thank goodness I get paid soon. And I am going to put his tail where we left off. I know this looks crazy, but that's going to work. Oh my goodness. So I played my first round. I haven't edited this video yet, but I'm going to assume that I did the recording because I still see the red light on. So that's good. And we are going to see you guys next week for another round of Piddle Paws. I'm not sure where Piddle Paws ends, but I do have more of Lena's challenges. So I am going to switch it up a little bit, but next week we're definitely playing Piddle Paws because I've got an axe to grind with him. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please go to her Etsy shop. You can go to her YouTube as well as her Etsy shop. Take a look at her glow-in-the-dark games. They're really fun. They are really spicy, but they glow in the dark. That's the fun part. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.